In this video, I'll show you how to make someone an admin in Facebook Business Manager step by step. Giving admin access allows a trusted person to manage your business assets, users, pages, and ad accounts. First, open your web browser and sign in to Meta Business Suite with the account that already has admin access. Next, click Settings, then open Business Settings. In the left menu, click People. If the person hasn't been added yet, click Add, enter their email address, and send the invitation. Once they're listed, select their name and choose Admin Access or enable Full Control, depending on your account version. After that, assign the Facebook pages, ad accounts, Instagram accounts, pixels, and other business assets they should manage. Review the permissions carefully. Then click Save or Assign. If the person is newly invited, they'll need to accept the invitation before admin access becomes active. Once accepted, they'll be able to manage your business manager based on the permissions you've granted. That's how you can make someone an admin in Facebook Business Manager. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy app tutorials. Thanks for watching.